Good morning, boys and girls. How are you today? Our stories today are going to be about rabbits. Do you know why? What's coming up this weekend? It's Easter, so we're all going to be looking for the Easter bunny. This is the craft that you will make. You will have your egg-shaped body, the little ovals, which will become your bunny. You will get a popsicle stick. You will get 2 different oval shapes. You'll get a ribbon, ears, eyes, nose, and ribbon to make your bunny a bow. So this will be in your kit, all for you to make. And we'll also have a picture of your bunny. Then your activity is you will get Easter eggs that have been taken apart. And you look for the letter. This is the letter D, and it's a purple egg. But the one that goes to it does not match it. It matches the color, but not the letter. So what we want to do is match the letter. So you have to look for the D in here. Aha, I see it. Then you have to put it together. So there's your D Easter egg. All right, so that's your activity that you'll do. You have 4 eggs in there. Okay, now our stories. Okay, White Rabbit color book. White Rabbit's color book. One day, White Rabbit found 3 big tubs of paint. A red one, a yellow one, and a blue one. Sunshine yellow, he thought. Oh, how lovely. A quick dip and yellow rabbit, bright as the sun. Now what about red, thought Rabbit. Okay, let's see. What's this? I'm orange, he said. Look, red and yellow make orange together. So I am orange. Time for a wash, thought Rabbit. So he washed all his paint off. Red on its own this time. All right, let's see. He splashed in. Let's see what he looks like all red. Oh, look at it. Red Rabbit, sizzling hot red. All right, now the red rabbit's gonna jump into the blue paint. So what color are we gonna make? Let's see what color he becomes. Ah, he just didn't mix blue. He put in a little yellow. What color did he make? Purple! So purple rabbit, look, red and blue together make purple. I am a very royal blue, purple rabbit. Princess Purple Rabbit in the Shire. Blue will do, thought Rabbit. So now he's blue. Icy cold blue. Brr. How warm yellow looks, thought Rabbit. Now let's see what color he makes. Yellow and blue. Look, he's now green. What's this? Green rabbit? Look, blue and yellow together make green. Oh dear. No more water. Uh-oh, what's he gonna do? And that's left is a little red paint. Now what will happen, thought Rabbit? He's going to mix green and red. Brown! Now, hooray! Brown rabbit, lovely warm brown rabbit. Blue, yellow, red together make brown. And brown is just right for me. Okay. Our next one is looking for Easter. This little rabbit's looking for Easter. Little bunny poked his nose out of his burrow. Something was in the air. It smelled like sunshine and warm breezes and clear flowing water. Good morning, Beaver called across the pond. What's that smell in the air? Beaver sniffed a big sniff. I do believe, she said, it smells like Easter. What is Easter? Bunny asked. I think, Beaver said, Easter is a basket. A basket, Bunny said. I can make one for you, Beaver said, if you will help me gather some branches. I need to make my lodge bigger anyway, he said. So little bunny gathered branches and Beaver wove a basket of reeds. Thank you, Beaver, Bunny said. All right, look, little bunny's got his own little basket there. Little bunny carried the basket to the woodchuck's den. Good morning, woodchuck, Bunny said. Look, I have Easter. It's a very nice basket, woodchuck said, but it isn't Easter. Then what is Easter, little bunny asked. I think you'll have Easter if you fill your basket with grass, woodchuck said. I'll give you some if you will help me dig this tunnel. I need to make my den bigger. So little bunny dug into the dirt and helped woodchuck. Then woodchuck gave Bunny enough new grass to fill his basket. Thank you, woodchuck, Bunny said. Little bunny swung the basket as he walked to Mouse's house. Good morning, Mouse, little bunny said. Look, I have Easter. It's lovely, Mouse said, but it isn't Easter. Then what is Easter, Bunny asked. I think you'll have Easter if you put something sweet on top of your grass, said Mouse. Little bunny looked at the berries Mouse had picked. Are those berries sweet, he asked. Yes, Mouse answered, and you can have some if you'll help me pick them. I need more food for my growing family. So little bunny reached up and picked berries off the highest branches. Now little bunny was sure he had Easter. He took the basket to Robin's nest, or to Robin's tree. Good morning, Robin, Bunny called. Look, I have Easter. But Robin didn't look. Oh dear, she said. The wind blew my nest away now, and I don't have a place for my eggs. What kind of place do you need, Bunny asked. I need a place that is round and deep. I need a place that's soft. And I need a place near food. Little bunny looked at his basket. It was round and it was deep. The grass was soft and there were sweet berries in there to eat. Like this, Bunny asked. Robin looked at the basket. Yes, she chirped. Little bunny hugged the basket to her chest. But when he looked at Robin's sad face, Bunny said, you can have my basket for your nest. Little bunny hung the basket on the branch. Then he went home. Would he ever have Easter? For many days it rained and it rained and it rained, and little bunny didn't leave his burrow. Then one day a voice called, little bunny, come out. Bunny crept out of his burrow. A wren was waiting. Come with me, Wren said. I will show you where to find Easter. Easter, little bunny asked. But I already found Easter, and then I gave it away. Come on, said Wren. Bunny followed Wren to Robin's tree. Beaver was there with 2 babies. Woodchuck was there with 4 babies. And Mouse was there with 8 babies. And the basket nest there with 3 baby robins. Is this Easter, Bunny asked? Wren nodded. Easter is new life, she said. Easter is all around us today. Little Bunny looked at all his new friends, and something wonderful settled in his heart. It was a feeling of sunshine, warm breezes, and clear flowing water. At last, Little Bunny had found Easter. Okay, we got one more. Milo, the really big bunny. Milo is a really, really big bunny. This is Milo. Milo was a bunny, but he wasn't quick like a bunny or quite like a bunny, and his tail wasn't fluffy because he sat on it so often. Other bunnies nibbled on carrots and lettuce. They could hop on either foot and dig tunnels from one place to another. More than anything, Milo wished he could do something to fit in better. And then one day, Milo heard about a contest. The Easter Bunny was looking for a helper. No experience required. The Easter Bunny is the most famous bunny in the whole world, thought Milo. If I become his helper, the other bunnies will be really impressed with me. No one was very encouraging, though. Oh, don't be ridiculous, Milo. You have to be nimble and quick. You need a delicate touch. You have to fit into small spaces. But Milo wasn't going to give up. When the contest began, Milo was at the head of the line. He colored some eggs first, but this didn't work out the way he planned. Look at his eggs. They kind of look messy, don't they?
Yeah.
Then he tried making baskets. Over and under, excuse me, over and under, he told himself. That didn't work too well either, look. He wove the bunnies inside the baskets. When it was time to pick a winner, Milo didn't stand a chance. Milo felt pretty bad after that, as the days passed. Excuse me. He dragged himself around and he didn't do much. On Easter morning, Milo was just stayed in the bed. He didn't hear the wind pick up or the rain start to fall. Suddenly there was a knock at his door. Wake up, Milo, someone was shouting. It was the Easter Bunny. I need help, he explained. Milo rushed together his eggs and basket. No, not like that, said the Easter Bunny. I need you. Milo and the Easter Bunny struggled long and hard all day. The rain was wetter than wet. The wind was howling something awful. But finally, they were finished. Thanks, said the Easter Bunny. You were a big help, Milo. A very big help. After that, Milo felt a lot better about himself. True, he ate as much as before. His hopping was still unpredictable, and his tail wasn't even a little fluffy, but none of that mattered anymore, because Milo had found his place at last. See, he could hold up the rabbits so they could paint the eggs. So that's how he helped out at the end. All right, let's do 5 little monkeys teasing Mr. Crocodile. Let's get Mr. Crocodile here. monkey sitting in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile, white as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. 4 little monkeys sitting in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile, quiet as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. 3 little monkeys sitting in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile, quiet as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. 2 little monkeys sitting in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile, quiet as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. 1 little monkey sitting in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile, quiet as can be, and snaps that monkey right out of the tree. All right, good job, boys and girls. All right, we'll see you later. Hope you have a great day and happy Easter.